As an engineer, I have certain skill sets that I can contribute for the betterment of the province. I've been involved in hundreds of engineering projects across New Brunswick in water and wastewater, solid waste and composting that have been to the benefit over 200,000 people. I volunteered for APEGNB, ACEC New Brunswick, Engineers PEI, Engineers Canada, and ACWWA, which is Atlantic Canada Water and Wastewater Association, for over 35 years. And still doing it and still enjoy it immensely. So it's critical that the members give to the association. And I've always been a firm believer that if you're a member of a professional organization, you should give to that organization. My wife Donna has been there through my first year of university to the present. And I can't say enough about her support has meant to me over my career. I'm certainly both very honored and humbled to receive the award from the association. I believe engineering is an essential profession and it leads to the betterment of society, and to receive this award from my peers is truly an honor.
Most of our projects are either new construction or renovation. And I guess the way I tackle them is work hard, obviously, put in extra time and effort when it's needed, but taking advice from people around you, being a good listener. One thing to be given advice, but actually to listen to it and actually implement it. That's important. The time that I spent as a volunteer, whether it's with ACEC New Brunswick, APEG, Engineers Canada, the Y, coaching hockey, coaching soccer, those are the memories that I will carry with me. By volunteering has helped me in my career immensely because I had the ear of so many great people involved in the association profession over the years. I'd like to thank the nominating committee for selecting me for the award for the 2021 President's Award this year, and for council for approving the nomination or the recommendation from the nominating committee. And certainly last but definitely not least, my wife Janice. So she's always in my corner, and the experiences and the travel that I had during my involvement with Engineers Canada and APEGNB would not have been nearly as much fun without her.
I think the most memorable moments of my career were my experiences as the president of APEGNB in 2015. I think good parenting motivated me and still does. And mom and dad were community-minded, and they espoused those values to us. So I kind of picked it up naturally, and I guess I might be imbued with the community gene. I think that giving back to the community and cooperation breeds prosperity, and harmony breeds prosperity, and all the things that come from community work and connection to the community are meaningful. Patience, I would say, is the best method of overcoming challenges, because everything has a tendency to work out in time. We started the harvest in 1991, and it took off quite nicely, as we all know, and it's a great asset to the city. We've had a lot of fun. People get out and see people on the streets and at the concert venues that they haven't seen for a long time, usually in a year, and it's great. One might think about harvest is what would our city be like if we hadn't had it? And what would we be like without it? So now, APEGNB, I'd like to thank you for a dream come true.